I'm a human. I'm not a robot.
He isn't a singer.
Conversation. Hello.
Hello, is that Peter?
Yes, speaking. Hello, Mary. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Listen, there's a great movie at the Central Cinema. Would you like to come and see it with me on Thursday evening?
No, I'm afraid I can't. I'm going to play at a concert at Washington University on Thursday.
What about Friday then?
Great, yes, I'd love to. What time does it start?
7 o'clock. Would you like to go for a drink first?
Yes, fine. It's 6 o'clock, okay? We can meet outside the cinema.
Okay, fine. See you on Friday then. Bye.
Bye. Vocabulary.
Concert. I'm playing in a concert at my hometown next weekend. Speak.
Would you mind speaking more slowly, please?
Cinema. The town no longer has a cinema. University. He teaches at the University of Detroit. Outside.
The outside of the house needs painting. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We use the base form of the verb, and add s, for the third person singular. I work in a factory. He works in a factory.
I wash the dishes every evening.
Yes, he washes the dishes every evening.
The verb be is different from the other verbs in this tense. Let me show you. I am teacher. You are my students.
We are students. My father is a doctor.
They are not American. They aren't American. I'm a human. I'm not a robot.
He isn't a singer.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, let us know what topic you want to learn. See you next time.